Hello, YouTube model community. Phil here at Horton's Hot Rod Shop with an update on the 46 Chevy Aero sedan. This is a box stock build. It's been lowered down using parts from the kit. Pinstripe detail on it's from the kit. I pinstriped the dashboard on this one as well. Unfortunately, you can't get a good shot of it, but I'll try to see if I can find a way to link a picture of it in. It's really a kind of nice build. Use the 46 front end instead of the 47-48 front end. Just like it better. And as far as the bottom of it goes, it's pretty plain, but it's still pretty sharp. Come on, phone, focus. Phone doesn't want to focus on it. It's a Galaxy kit. First time I've ever built one of them. It's got a lot of really cool features about it, things you can do with them. A lot of neat little tips in them. So, they're really a fun little kit to build. Luckily, I have two more to build. The only fitment issue I have seems to be right there at the front of the hood and the windshield. I'm not sure why, but I can't get that to fit better. It did sitting on the table before it was all on the chassis, so it's got to be something with that. So, that one's done pretty much. Oh, I wish I could get a better picture of that chassis. Well, that's not too bad. It's really a fun kit as far as details go. It has wheel studs on the brake drums, valve stems on the rims that stand out enough, along with the little cutouts in the rings for the valve stem. Really made for a fun build. It's a nice distraction from the one I'm working on for fat fenders, fins, and chrome, which is sitting here as well. Not finished yet, but it's still here. Got the fenders finished, pinstripe the bed. Got the little brake up there, you can see. Found me a big block motor for it. It's a little overkill, but I like it. Made a bumper for the front of it out of two bumpers. Still got to get in my headlight box and find the lenses. Get the turn signals detailed. Come on, don't go all blurry. You kind of see the detail on the dash if you look close. There's pinstripe on the dash. Got some more work to go on this one yet. So, but it is a cool little build. Alright guys, like and subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet. You know, we need to support the little guys. We need to keep following the guys that have been here a while. Have a good day, guys. Well.